How your type of diabetes impacts life insurance. There are two main types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. The type with which you are diagnosed can determine your life insurance coverage options, as well as how much you pay for your coverage. Life insurance for type 1 diabetics. Those with type 1 diabetes, known as insulin-dependent diabetes, are considered a higher risk for insurers. Because type 1 diabetics require insulin to manage their diabetes, insurers believe their cases are more difficult to control and make them a much higher risk to cover. Life insurance for type 2 diabetics. Many type 2 diabetics aren't diagnosed until adulthood. This means their bodies have fewer years of dealing with the disease between diagnosis and purchasing life insurance, meaning they are seen as less risky for insurers. Why is it difficult for diabetics to get life insurance? If you have a current chronic medical condition, such as diabetes, your risk of an earlier death is higher than that of someone who is completely healthy. This means you are more risky for the life insurance company to take on. Health factors that impact the cost of life insurance for diabetics. Being diabetic complicates your coverage options and can increase the price based on a range of factors. Some common factors that life insurance companies will evaluate when you apply for coverage include type of diabetes, current age and date of diagnosis, doctor and care records, A1C levels, how your diabetes is controlled, medical history. Other health factors will also be evaluated by your insurer, such as current height and weight, details of family medical history, any other medications you take, whether or not you smoke, details of any other conditions you have. Choosing the best life insurance policy with diabetes. The key to choosing any life insurance policy, regardless of whether or not you're diabetic, is to determine how much coverage you feel you need and how much you can afford to pay for that coverage. Type of policy. Term life insurance is often going to have the lowest prices on premiums as they only extend for a specific time period and don't have any cash value. On the other hand, if you plan to use your life insurance policy to leave an inheritance for your family or to ensure that your spouse receives support, a whole life insurance policy may be necessary. Level of underwriting. There are two main levels of underwriting: fully underwritten and no medical exam policies. A fully underwritten policy means that you may be required to submit to a medical exam before you receive a decision from the insurer. If you are worried about having to submit to a medical exam, you can opt for a no medical exam policy. These can have their downsides, as the amount of coverage available is lower: $500,000 for term policies and $50,000 for whole policies. It is important to fully and honestly complete the health questionnaires the insurer provides you, as leaving out or lying about information can work against you. Amount of coverage. How much coverage you feel you need will be determined by a variety of personal factors, including your salary, your financial obligations, whether you have a mortgage or other debt, ages of children. Adjusting the amount of coverage you purchase can help you reduce the overall price of your policy, which is especially helpful if you're diabetic. What if you are diagnosed with diabetes after buying life insurance? Once you have purchased a life insurance policy and the policy has been issued, your insurer cannot alter your rates or cancel your policy if you are diagnosed with diabetes. Conclusion. Purchasing life insurance with a chronic condition such as diabetes can be challenging and frustrating, but it isn't impossible. Carefully examining your options, as well as making sure your diabetes is well controlled, can help you qualify for a life insurance policy at a more reasonable rate than you may otherwise find. To help you find the right life insurance policy for your needs, try Insurdinary. Compare premiums and plans for a variety of carriers. Receive a personalized quote and apply for coverage, all without ever leaving your couch. Get a quote today.